Hey guys, here today to talk a little bit about some of the benefits of working with an agent who's part of a team versus one who might be going at it alone. And the first topic that I want to talk about is coverage. So when working with an agent who's part of a team, we all have the same goal in mind, and that's to get your home sold. Now, that means you're getting the efforts, the clients, the connections of multiple agents rather than just one to get the deal done for you. So the second aspect that I want to talk about is the fact that you'll be getting more realtors for the same commission price that you'd be paying for just one. So in many cases, your home is probably your most valuable asset. Now, why wouldn't you want more people behind the sale of your home and more efforts behind the sale of your home while still only paying the same commission price as you'd be paying for just one agent? So the third benefit I want to talk about is expertise and perspective. So working with an agent who's part of a team, we can bring to you the broadest range of expertise, perspective, service, and resources to get your home sold. Wouldn't it be nice to have, well, in our case, 7 times the power behind selling your most valuable asset? Just a question to ask yourself. So if you want the best chance at getting your home sold for what it's actually worth, give the Key Advantage team a call today.